Let's learn 10 words from episode 15 of Merchant Meets the Wise Wolf. In the first part, I'll explain the words in detail, and in the second part, I'll simply repeat the words and phrases twice in Japanese and once in English. Let's go! The first word of the day is tori. Tori means birds. The next word is hane. Hane means feathers. The next word is fushigi. Fushigi means weird, mystery, or wonders. The next word is kouseki. Kouseki means crystals or minerals. The title of this episode is Tori no hane to fushigi na kouseki. Go ahead and translate this title into your own language and put it in the comment section down below. The next word is furukabu. Furukabu means a senior, old-timer, or a veteran. Veteran in this case means those who are professionals of the field. The next word is ikkyo. Ikkyo means paganism or heathenism. The next word is annai. Annai means to guide or show around. The next word is nendaiki. Nendaiki means chronicles or chronology. Nendai means era or the age, and ki means a record. So the record of the time would be closer as in the direct translation. The next word is Saka. Saka means writer or author. Lawrence is looking for a nendaiki saka in this episode. The last word of the day is renkinjutsushi. Renkinjutsushi means an alchemist. You might know this term already from a different anime series. Renkinjutsu means alchemy, and shi in this case means a master of alchemy, an alchemist. Tori, tori, birds. Hane, hane, feathers. Fushigi, fushigi, weird, mystery, wonders. Kouseki, kouseki, crystals, minerals. Furukabu, furukabu, senior, old-timer, a veteran. Ikkyo, ikkyo, paganism, heathenism. Annai, annai, to guide, to show around. Nendaiki, nendaiki, chronicles, chronology. Saka, saka, writer, author. Renkinjutsushi, renkinjutsushi, alchemist. That is it for this episode. I hope this helps you enjoy 狼と香辛料 more. それでは皆様ごきげんよう。